The costs of the shutdown are mounting. One estimate says it's cost the economy more than $2 billion to date. 1,500 NTSB investigations, including 20 small airplane crashes, have been put on hold. The Centers for Disease Control has severely cut back on flu surveillance and monitoring. And at the National Institutes for Health, an estimated 200 people a week are being turned away from clinical trials. Then there's the future cost if a deal is not reached by Thursday. With more on that, we're joined by CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger. Jill, always good to see you. Let me start by asking you this. What are we going to see this week?
I think as long as the talks remain what they're calling constructive, traders are going to feel okay. But once we get a mere whiff of something going south, that's when you can expect the volatility and some selling and some anxiety. But so far, coming into the trading session this week, I think we'll be okay.
And the real consequences would be what?
Okay, we get to Thursday, and let's be clear, we don't run out of money in that moment, but investors are going to be really nervous. Stocks could likely go down. Bonds could go down. It could mean that we see credit in general freezing up. It would be hard to borrow for a car loan, for a mortgage. It could feel a little bit like that 2008 September where things were just clogged up.
And the negative consequences we are already seeing.
You know, interesting. I think that in the investor world, people are sort of taking this in stride. But you know what? Consumers are getting anxious. We had 3 different surveys out last week. Consumer confidence going to levels that we haven't seen since January. Gallup saying that people are more anxious about the economy than they've been since 2008. These are things that are creeping into the psyche. That's why the National Retail Federation has sent a letter to Congress. They're very worried about what's going to happen in the fourth quarter and, of course, the all-important holiday season. If people don't feel good, they might not spend as much money. They don't spend as much money, the job situation just gets worse.
Jill, thank you very much.
Great to be with you.